Alright, this is Calibos, and we are playing Antimatter Chemistry. So, hopefully at this point I've figured out what I'm planning on doing for the next episode, or the next mod pack. As of the time that I'm recording, I still don't know. So we'll, how that goes. For cactus solver are cellulose and mescaline. I get cactus green. That in the dissolver are nickel chloride. I need a lot of nickel chloride. So, we're gonna cook this. Okay. Get a number divisible by 8. So you may notice that I have, in fact, so I have an extra drive in here. It wasn't really too much difficulty to make it. Over here, I've gone ahead and expanded our storage here. Notice that we have gotten a lot of ores. So looking at our quest book here in chapter 3, we've done this. Gives us more room. Didn't even realize that we're going to get that in the quest. Bunch more space. And from here, we just need 10 clay and a block of bronze. So copper. And so going over to the combiner, I have lost this. All of this out. Let's make a drawer really quick. We're actually going to have to I'm actually going to have to what is that thing? Can't remember. Once this is done, we're going to clear this carbon. Anyway, the storage drawers we've expanded a bit downstairs so that we're not leaning quite as heavily on the the drives. What I'm hoping that what I'm hoping is that we can get into some of the other stuff in processing. We can get into some of the other stuff and copper and it's middle, so copper. Wait, how many blocks do we need? A lot, right? We need one. Oh, never mind. I thought we need. What I'd like to do is get into processing some stuff and get into a better setup for power and a better setup for some of our automation. We need additional chemical combiners and stuff like that. And there's got to be a better setup for some of this nonsense than what we have. What we have is just kind of a, you know, not very good. So, I mean, it's pretty easy for the culinary generator for us. We're back up to 4,000 rotten flesh. And the culinary generator is just producing well. Any cooked meat. More iron. I run. that. It's our iron. I didn't mean to make 5, but we made them. Over stuff. Yeah, you can see that we need to make a better, more efficient use of our power. That's kind of what I'd like to accomplish. Episode. Kind of set up to more useful. We need a tree farm. We need a tree farm. We need a way to automatically charcoal and automatically set up and just We have to do all of the things that I should have done before and didn't. And now we're going to do them. How's that? A lot of things. Actually. So we need a way to cook stuff. So what we can do is we can actually look at this. That doesn't much. It does produce directly, I guess. So interesting. So the only cookable furnace we have is like the draconium one, or automatic furnace is the draconium one, or okay. Know what we're doing. Give us the bronze blend. Copper. Copper. Okay, so we can actually just break that down straight into doubling. I think it was for that's that. Now we should just be able to smelt this. Make some bricks. That'll cook stuff. That's what we care about. Yeah, wouldn't it? Yeah. What's going on? All right. Clay. Our bronze should be a little bit. there since the bronze is done first. That should give us some culinary generators. Okay, so that gives us a total of 6 culinary generators. What we need now is a power station, an area for power. We need to automate exporting of food into those. Any processors. I made a few of those processors. Needs to be cooked. Raw processors. And silicon on. That gives us now working our bronze, cactus green. Cactus green is going to give us some stuff. It gives us nickel chloride, which gives nickel, which is amazing. The fact that we get nickel is that to go through, drawing out as much as it can. Spider eyes. Press. Spider eyes give us protein and beta carotene. I don't know why. But we now have a block of bronze, so we've completed that quest. More clay. Now, hopefully, make the controller. Couldn't make it before. Alright, we've got the smeltery controller. Smeltery drain. Faucet, casting table, tank, and remember, we couldn't make that before. Gonna be slightly short. What do we need? Got 10. We need 18. Route. Oh, we need sand. Toss that all in here. And there. Route. So this is, we have 10. It's 12, 14. Find process. Improve processors. Or one. Okay. Now we can. So this should give us a powered furnace. Let's Okay, so where do we want a power station? Question. Just making a here. Haven't heard anything as far from anybody about anything to do with decorations, so decided that we're now using diorite. And now we should actually quite a bit more diorite in the system. So we're going to run power from over here, I guess. I don't know. Guess we're out anyway. But I hope you liked this episode. We did actually quite a bit of progress. Comes down to we need to set up the things that we have now. Need to set up the things that we have now, and that ought to do it. Got generators. We just need to begin setting up automatically fueling generators. We've got more room in our storage. We've actually got access to a lot of ores now from the deep dark. We need to set up automatic mining from the deep dark. With fuel, that's going to be a lot easier. I'll have to look at our mods. We need to set up a tree farm. I'm hoping to do that in the next episode or two. Tree farm is going to make a lot of things easier for us. So, forward to that. But having this floor in actually makes quite a bit of difference as far as we're going to be able to actually start placing our stuff. So at ground level, and it's not going to look all weird floating one block above everything. But I hope you liked the episodes. If you did, give me a like. If you didn't, don't. What was that? Questions, comments, concerns, they can all go below. And folks, have a fantastic night.